Hey everybody, Dyson has an entire family of air purifiers, and there's something that works for everyone. This is the Dyson Pure Hot Plus Cool Purifying Fan.
I am obsessed with this. You know, we're entering allergy season, and this is the must-have item for your home when you want to get rid of those pollutants, those allergens, the dust, all that jazz, and want to purify your room.
So the first thing it does is it actually shows you what your air quality is right now. So green means it's good in here. But look what happens when it senses a pollutant. It changes to yellow and then even red to show me that I'm not getting my best air quality. So inside, it is taking those pollutants and sealing them in a sealed HEPA filter with activated carbon. Then it projects purified air back out around the whole room.
Let's also not forget, this is a powerful heating and cooling system as well for any room in your house you can adjust it.
To hot or cool in auto mode, we're changing temperatures, we're purifying your air, all in time for allergy season.
There's nobody else. Let me stay with you. In us, can you? Just one night. I don't know about you, your life. But tell me 'cause we still have time. I can't say I can't help you, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. I can't say I can't help you, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. There's nobody else. There's nobody else. There's nobody else. Let me stay with you. In us, can you? Just one night. I don't know about you, your life. But tell me 'cause we still have time. I can't say I can't help you, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. I can't say I can't help you, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. There's nobody else. There's nobody else. There's nobody else. Let me stay